Well, hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Marx Commodore Vanderbilt train set that I just bought at a train show. And this is pretty new territory for me. I don't usually collect O-scale stuff, but I couldn't help myself when I saw how pristine this thing was, and it just really caught my eye. And I'm pretty glad I bought it. It even comes with the original box, and it even has the original price tag on it somewhere. Right there, as you can see, $4.39, and it says 1153, so I'm assuming that's the date. So 1953. If there's anyone out there that collects these and knows a little more about them, I would like to know what year these were actually made. But yeah, as you can see, it's in great shape. Only thing I had to do was clean the commutator, and I oiled up a few of the bearings, but everything works on it. So we'll go ahead and run it. And as you can see, I don't have the best setup here right now. I just wanted to get it up and do a test run, but I do plan on building a some kind of layout in the future for my vintage O-scale stuff. Probably help if I plugged it in. There is just something really cool about the sound of the tin cars that I really like. And it's pretty neat having this layout up on this old table. I have no idea how old it is, but it seems fitting for this particular video. But as you can see, it's in really, really good shape. I had to have it. Now this observation car also has a light in it. The bulb seems to be burned out, and I'm not too comfortable yet replacing it. If anyone has any tips on replacing that, I would definitely appreciate that. Yeah. But other than that, everything seems to be perfect on it. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This thing's really pretty neat. I can't believe how smooth it runs. And the paint on it is really, like I said, what caught my eye. There's really hardly any spots on it. I'm going to guess that this thing didn't get played with very much throughout the years. Like I said, if anyone has any more information on when this set was made, I'd really like to know. I do know that I read somewhere where you can tell by the contact strip on the bottom if it's a pre-war or post-war, and I believe this is a post-war model based on the pictures I've seen, but if anyone has a better idea, I'd really like to know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And like I said, this is kind of new territory for me. I'm usually collecting more HO scale, kind of scale models, DCC and sound, all that, but I definitely enjoy these old metal models. There's really no plastic at all that I could find on any of this, which is really cool. And of course, it's all made in the USA, and I definitely appreciate that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next video.